In a world where performance and portability are paramount, one laptop rises above the rest. Introducing the TECLAST F16Pro Laptop Computer, the epitome of innovation and design. With its 16GB DDR5 RAM, lightning-fast 512GB SSD, and Intel N95 Processor, the TECLAST F16 Pro is engineered to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're a professional on the go or a casual user looking for an unparalleled computing experience, the TECLAST F16 Pro has you covered. Join us as we explore its features and discover why it's the ultimate laptop for every need. Let's start with the heart of the TECLAST F16 Pro. Its Intel N95 processor. Engineered for performance and efficiency, this processor ensures smooth multitasking and blazing fast speeds, allowing you to tackle any task with confidence. Experience every detail in breathtaking clarity on the TECLAST F16 Pro's 15.6-inch FHD IPS display. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or browsing the web, you'll be immersed in a world of vibrant colors and sharp imagery. Stay connected wherever you go with the TECLAST F16 Pro's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities. Enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless wireless connectivity for a truly immersive computing experience. Boost your productivity with the TECLAST F16 Pro's backlit keyboard and numeric keypad. Whether you're working late into the night or crunching numbers on the go, you'll appreciate the convenience and comfort of these innovative features. Stay connected with colleagues, friends, and family with the TECLAST F16 Pro's built-in webcam. Enjoy crystal-clear video calls and virtual meetings from anywhere, ensuring you never miss a moment. In conclusion, the TECLAST F16 Pro Laptop Computer is more than just a laptop, it's a gateway to the future of computing. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and innovative features, it sets a new standard for what a laptop can be. Join the revolution and experience the ultimate laptop experience with the TECLAST F16 Pro. Upgrade your productivity, unleash your creativity, and unlock endless possibilities with this groundbreaking device. TECLAST F16 Pro. The future of computing starts here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product showcases. Visit our website for more information on the TECLAST F16 Pro and other cutting-edge devices. Until next time, stay connected and stay ahead with TECLAST.